Hello, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So, what am I going to talk about today? I will talk about something, a news today, which is very much circulating. And to all the pseudo feminists, it's my request not to get offended. I have a logic behind what I'm going to say next. So you all must have, heard the news that CGI Kant, that is Chief Justice of India, has, not taken into account menstrual relief for girls. And the reason that he gave was, if we start giving leave on menstrual grounds, then companies won't hire them. So I read lot of comments on social media and on different news channels and debates. A lot of women are, complaining why this was not passed. Women has rights. Yes, women do have right. But we could not see the vision behind the decision. This decision was not taken because he does not want to favor women. This particular decision was taken because, as we say, India has become developed and has advanced thinking. It is not on that level yet. So when we talk about women force, especially in corporate world, when you are single, they will hire you. They won't ask you lot of questions as long as you are talented. When you are in your late 20s, they will start asking about when you're getting married, why you're not married yet. And if you are married, there will be questions: with whom you live, or do you live in joint family, what are your plans ahead, when you are planning a baby. This is when no extra leave is given to a woman. Okay, still so many questions are asked just because of a gender. Do we ever ask a man that you are married, that you will be able to meet the targets? No, we do not. It only happens to women. So supposedly Suryakant would have accepted the PIL, public interest litigation, that okay, gave leave to women on menstrual grounds. What would have happened? Companies rate of hiring women would decline more. It is not going to increase, because with every single holiday or something, they ask you millions of questions, and there is no reason to deny it. I will give you a very simple example. My husband serves in merchant navy, and I was giving interviews, some time back, and a lot of questions were thrown at me. Where do you live? How would you relocate? So what about your family? So when you're planning a child, oh, your husband is in merchant navy, oh, we cannot hire you because you will ask for leaves when he would be back. So are you getting my point? My point is, we still believe in exploiting employees, not giving them their very basic right of leaves. Even if the company has the policies of paid 30 leaves, they are not ready to give you those leaves. No matter you are working 12-hour shift, 16-hour shift, or you do not take a week off. That is the reality of Indian corporate system, because no authority, no government tried to intervene and told corporate sectors to have some rules, some working hours regulation or leaves, compulsory leaves. Nothing applies in corporate sector. So do you really think he was wrong when he gave the decision women will stop getting job? Yes, that's the reality. Things would make a difference when corporates include leaves on menstrual grounds. Listen to me again. I am not against menstrual leaves, but if corporates start including the policy, a woman can take leave on basis of monthly cycle. Yes, then that is not a problem because the company is accepting the terms on their level. When they are not, they have all the choice not to hire you. Government can impose a law. So, but what is the guarantee? They will hire you again. Highly unlikely. So, whenever a decision comes, we need to have an open mind to see where those decisions are coming from. We do not read much, we don't see depth of the particular issue, and we just start complaining, we start jumping to conclusions. Oh my god, what government has done, what Supreme Court has done, why women's rights are taken away. No, women's rights are not taken away. It's the corporates, it's the companies which are not ready to hire women just because they are women. Can we fight that? It's a long journey ahead. People like us and actually intelligent, educated class of people, including men, women, need to fight this. Then maybe there will be a difference. But as if now, women is still hired on the basis of looks. She's single. Does she have a child or not? Is she sick by any ways? Does she lives in joint family? These are the questions that companies ask of women. They do not ask them how talented they are. Often they are replaced when they get married. So I hope you are getting my point. So please, all the women out there, I support you. I know how much we all have to face because of the gender bias. Everything is on screen, but on ground reality, things are different, and we need to change the ground realities before jumping to conclusions. And I hope all the men out there would support me on this, and the corporates listening. And I would be glad if decision comes from corporate side. Then we won't have to fight to take a leave when we are sick or anybody is sick. And it's just not about women. Anybody could be sick. It's just not the menstrual leave. So we need to put ahead the culture of it is okay for an employee to take a leave. It's not a crime. It's not a sin. We all know companies fires you if you don't show up for 2 days, and I don't think I'm boasting about it. So tell me if you agree with me in the comments below, and I'm glad for listening to me. Thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead.